Yes, message to the Jamaicans, the Caribbean, the man from GT. Couple years or so I go live, Yeah, I feel with this. Africa, Cape Town. On the coast, all Jamaicans, roping, restaurant and everything. GT massive, Ghana, Guyanese and masses them from Kingston. All the people from Haiti and Trinidad on the roping. I phone the life this. Own it. This is Africa, Cape Town. So we have to develop a restaurant, team up, and do business together. Yeah, we can't buy a couple of Uber car and rent it out. Each Uber car where you rent out, $200 a month. A week, sorry, $800 a month you get for one Uber car when you rent out here. You see me? So 10,000 US, you link up my car guy, you can buy, what that? 3 nice car with 10,000 US. And then you find some people and you rent it to them. And then easy I make 800 US per car. I so now have to deal with the thing. 800 US a month, save up on the money, buy a piece of property, on a start up a Jamaican or West Indian restaurant. On a deliver to Uber Eats. See it there, Randy going to business plan. You don't want to live big, I so no live big. You can't work and get this. You don't have to cook food, you don't have to rent Uber, you don't have to do Airbnb. You have your house in a Jamaica where big, they're near the beach. You there your big house in New York City for what? You need to reduce the size of the house in the city and move to the country and get yourself something in a Cape Town before too late. Build yourself something on the East Coast, yeah? And then you Airbnb it, and then you Uber your thing, rent out your car, them. Do business, the world is for the taking. This part of the earth, at the edge, at the tip, this right here, Bantry Bay. Bantry Bay. Check it out. I saw now go live. Just invite me for dinner when I fry some plantains, hey Randy. 2 years ago, I see your video on YouTube. And you tell us I saw if you live. I live in New York City, I'm stressed out to see Randy. I sell the $600,000 house to see Randy. I did exactly what you said to me to do. I bought 4 Uber car and I rent it out. And that's how I started in Randy. And I bought a piece of land on the East Coast in Africa, I see. And it was only my land. I build a little piece of house on it, 1 room, and start rent it out. And that's how I do it, Randy. I don't need to start investigating because I can't make them people live so. We are West Indian and we not live so. I want to upon all them powerful West Indian people, doctors and lawyers and Indian and chief and police and thief. Me say I saw them live on the tip of Africa. If you go to the Victoria Mall, you want for some money, and nobody not advertise it on TV now. And me have to come all the way come show now. See that? That is your life. Yeah. I feel ocean that. This is your country. This is Africa. This is Africa. Them not show you. See me? So if there was so much crime here and violence, how come them they here with them family? Life is a perception, my lord. You know the city I pay $13.50. Me used to pay $13.50 a month. $13.50. Some people pay $1,600 for a 2-bedroom, $1,700. If I were you, I would have roommates now and bunk up the bed them and save on the money for 2-3 years. Yeah? And start your cooking and start your restaurant. and come out of Babylon with them sick job and live on this earth and don't fear nothing. If you lose, you pack your bag, go back to the Caribbean. Find out how to get into the system. Me not say this is the end all and the best way in life. But why are people living like this and we are living a rat subway station? Work 70 hours a week. No man, you can't cook food. Even if it's a food truck. It better you get an Airbnb every month and go in one place where you can see a view like this for $378 a month. You can also have this view if you live in a Cape Town. So if every week you get this view, you don't think it will satisfy your life? Yeah? Why you spend $1,700 a month when you can pay $300 to get a view like this? No man, and I must live life and make sure it's an adventurous like Randy. Give thanks and bless to the Almighty. Don't work hard, work smart. No love when you like cook food.